Automatic litter boxes are expensive, and this one is one of the priciest ones out there. So after using the home run pad for the full year, I think the only question that really matters is whether it has actually earned that price. And honestly, this is still the one I trust most. The biggest reason I still rate this one so highly is very simple. In a full year of use, it has never given me any weird behavior. It has never trapped a cat. It has never stopped in some strange position. It's never randomly failed and made me wonder what happened. And with automatic litter boxes, that kind of long-term stability matters way more to me than any flashy feature. This is especially important in my case because I travel pretty regularly. When I'm away from home, the last thing I want is a litter box doing something strange and leaving my cats without a usable toilet. That's the kind of thing that sounds small until you actually have to worry about it. I do have multiple litter boxes at home, so my setup does have some backup built in. Even then, I still care a lot about whether one of those machines can just keep doing its job without giving me a scare. And for people who only have one automatic box at home, I think this matters even more. So when I say this is the one I trust most, that's really what I mean. After a year, it still feels stable, predictable, and easy to rely on. And for a product like this, that's probably the biggest compliment I can give it. The other big reason this still works so well in my home is the size. As you know, I have 9 cats, and that changed the way I look at litter boxes in general. With my setup, 2 HomerunPET units plus one other automatic litter boxes are enough. If I were using some other brands, I would probably need at least 4 units to get the same level of coverage. It's not just bigger, it actually changes how many units I actually need. And it also changes how much space all of this takes up, how much maintenance I'm dealing with, and how much money I would need to spend if I wanted the same overall coverage with smaller boxes. And I think the HomerunPET is still the biggest one you can find on the market. After a year, the things I remember most clearly are usually the annoying little parts. That's why I appreciate the cleaning changes here. One of my least favorite parts on the older setup was the protective pad under the chamber. Having to deal with screws made deep cleaning more annoying than it needed to be. It was not some huge disaster, but it was exactly the kind of small hassle that start to bother you more once you have done it enough times. Now, with the new structure, I can just pull that part straight out, and pulling it back is much easier too. It still feels very secure once it is in place, so I never get that loose or shaky feeling. And honestly, I think this is a good example of HomerunPET actually paying attention to user feedback because it is a small change, but it makes every chamber cleaning feel a lot more straightforward. The large opening also helps a lot. When I'm cleaning something this size, I do not need it to feel fancy. I just need it to feel easy to access, easy to rinse, and less frustrating to deal with. And this one does a much better job of that now. And auto refill. This is still one of my favorite features on this box. And honestly, I really want to see more brands add it. To me, this is a point where an automatic litter box starts to feel truly automatic. A lot of boxes can handle the cleaning cycle for you, which is great, but then you still have to keep checking the litter level and topping it up yourself every few days. So the whole routine still feels only halfway automated. Here, that part is handled too. The refill tank can hold 4.5 liters of litter, so this is not some tiny add-on feature that barely change anything. It is big enough to actually matter. And in daily use, that means one last thing I have to keep checking. So after a full year, the reason I still rate this one so highly really comes down to trust. It has stayed reliable, it has stayed safe. For my home, this is still one of the best and most trustworthy automatic litter boxes I have used. And if you care about long-term peace of mind, I still think this is very easy one to recommend. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.